I spent 30K plus on skincare products and I'll be unboxing all of them for you. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Nero and this channel is all about skincare product formulation, skincare product reviews and skincare tips. So subscribe for a beautiful skin and turn on the notification bell. So let's get right into the video. Hi guys, so I recently bought a lot of skincare products from Jumia and from the market and the supermarket, and I thought I would share with you guys what I got. So everything here are the stuff I got from Jumia, while in this box are the stuff that I got from the market and the supermarket. Next we have the staff, the one I've been like the one I'm most excited about. This the ordinary 10% niacinamide. This one is great for dark spots, skin blemish, and this one is the 30% AHA and 2% BHA PD solution. Guys, this product went viral on TikTok. Like almost everybody, their mother and their sister was buying this. Guys, I got it so affordable on Jumia. I'm actually low-key scared that it might be fake, but seriously, it's like really affordable. But they said it was on like clearance, so it was clearance sale, that's why it was cheap. So that kind of puts me at ease a little bit, but I'm still a little bit scared though. Look how pretty it looks. Let me open it up for you guys. Look at it, guys. It's red. So I got these two, guys. I can't wait to try them out. This one is for exfoliating. This one is for my dark spots. This one I'm going to be using for my dark spots that I told you guys about in my last video I got from NYC. So I was so scared because of the price and thought maybe I would get the fake. I went to do some what do they call it, some research, and then I found out that if you smell it and it smells like has a nice fragrance, then it's fake. That but if it has, they say the original one has a kind of sour like fragrance. This one, I smelled it, it smells a little bit like medicine, so I guess it's original or genuine, and I'm alright. So open this one first. Yeah, I got goji berry set. There's something about it I don't like. It's written goki berry instead. Please, I'm scared. I don't know if it's a fake or something. I tried to find info about it, but I couldn't find anything. I got the serum, I got 2 bar soap, and I got the face cream. Everything was about 3,500 thereabouts. Let me open it real quick. This is everything I got. This is Goji berry face cream. This is Goji berry face cream. Oh. Wow. This is the bar soap. Wow, it's smaller than I thought so. It's quite small. I thought it would be bigger than this, but it's all good, sha. And this is the soothing serum. This one is very good for facial redness, like really good. The Goji berry face cream is also very nice and moisturizing. Like I've been waiting to try this stuff. I'm so excited. And this is like the receipt that it came with from Jumia. Everything, it even came before the date of like delivery. I thought it would take so much time, but it didn't. So in this box, guys, we have the sunscreen. I already have the sunscreen I'm using, but I had to buy another one because I couldn't use that one anymore. That one I hated it so much. I stopped rubbing sunscreen, which was very bad, so I had to get another one. It made my skin very white like, and it's so oily, it doesn't absorb, like seriously, it was so annoying. So I went to research for a good sunscreen. I also had a friend who was using this one. I also had a friend who was using this one. So I asked her how it was on her. She said it didn't like it didn't give her that much white cast, it absorbs. I went online to do my own review, my own research, found lots of reviews for it, and so I bought it. So I'm going to be testing it out for you guys. So this sunscreen I bought it for 4,000, and like 4,000, that's like 4,014 naira, something like that, on Jumia. But I saw it on Jumia also somewhere else for about 2.5, but it was sold out. I waited for some days, but it didn't come back. So I felt like I was going to keep waiting forever. I tried looking for it in the market, I couldn't find it. The sunscreens they had were those type like Disa sunscreen. Those ones give white cast. Those other ones, and I really I really got tired of looking for it, so I just gave up and bought it for that amount. Let's test it out. Wow, you see that vitamin C serum. Yeah, this one is a brightening serum. It has AHA inside, it has collagen and vitamin E. Guys, collagen in skincare, it's not going to do what you think. It's not going to firm your face. It's actually a nice moisturizer and a humectant. So don't let anyone scam you. But this one is actually, I saw a lot of reviews about it, and like hundreds of reviews saying that it brightens the face. So I can't wait to try this one. So this is the receipt of the stuff that I bought. And this vitamin C serum, this one, I like this one because of the type of vitamin C that they used. The vitamin C they use here is 3-O-ethyl-ascorbic acid. This one is stable and it's non-irritating, unlike ascorbic acid. This is primary vitamin C serum. Vitamin C serum is great for glowing the skin. It's great for discolorations and antioxidants. It's great for antioxidant, that is anti-aging, to reduce the rate at which you age. And vitamin C serum also, like if you wear it during the day under your sunscreen, it's very great. It works together with sunscreen to help fight the free radicals and the UV radiation. So now we're going to the second box of skincare.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.